Welcome back to Homestar Inspections. My name's Toby here in an attic inspection in a house in South Florida. Property is about a $5 million home and it was just re-roofed. And one of the common issues with re-roofs is that the roofers don't check the attic side for all the plumbing stacks. So that would be any plumbing vent stacks or any exhaust for bathroom vents, or if you have a gas water heater, the exhaust pipe for the gas water heater. I found all those issues after a re-roof, they don't get checked. And this is a $5 million house, so they didn't go cheap on the roof, except the roofer did go cheap on making sure that their guys didn't damage any roof stacks or made sure that they were venting back to the exterior as they should. Case in point, you got this plumbing stack right here coming out of this wall, and it's completely cracked. Should be going right to there and go on the outside. So that's going to let sewer gases, rodents, insects into your property. Also, you got your bathroom exhaust fan right here, and it's just terminating right there into the attic. So what that's going to do is introduce excess moisture into the attic as well. So always want to make sure you get your attic checked for all the plumbing stacks after a re-roof. You can reach out to us through our website, homestarinspectionsfl.com. Take it easy.